everybody doing?
It's Friday.
Oh, it's Friday.
Friday.
We're so excited. We do have new acrylic blanks.
Oh my gosh.
This is a brand new product to my craft source, guys. We got acrylic blanks. They are stinking adorable. Margie and I are going to be crafting with them today.
We're going to be making a super cute welcome sign that we're going to use these acrylic blanks on. So we are going to be, I brought some scrap wood from home.
It's so good.
And we painted it. I don't even know what color of spray paint this was.
It's gorgeous.
So it's really funny. Candace, you're probably not watching because you're at lunch, but Candace goes, I wish the acrylic blanks came clear. Y'all,
oh, how funny. She said that?
Yeah. She was like, it's kind of annoying that they're white. So when you get it, you have this
film
that you need to peel off. So I'm just telling y'all.
She's so funny.
It was funny, and she was like, oh my gosh. So it was cute. So they'll look like this. So we are going to do seaweed glitter on it, but first we're going to paint it. We don't have green paint, so we're going back to kindergarten.
We're
and mixing
right now.
yellow and blue to make green.
Yep.
So this is chrome. No, what is it?
That is gunmetal chrome.
Chrome.
Yeah,
chrome gunmetal. If you haven't tried the StarCraft Magic line, y'all are missing out. It adds a really fun pop to your project.
It is really pretty too.
The StarCraft Magic weeds so nicely, y'all. It's so easy to use. Okay. I'm going to use my AT65 transfer tape. Shyla is working on that. She's got it coated really good.
Really, really good.
With the green.
Look how cute.
That's super.
Look how cute.
Oh my gosh.
So
sticky.
instead of doing traditional keychain today, we're showing you guys a different way to display these, and we would interchange this. So we're going to leave it standard, welcome to my craft source, but on the end we're going to hang a different acrylic blank for the different seasons.
The different seasons, yeah.
And holidays. So this is super fun, you guys.
This is something that I like to do when I'm doing adhesive vinyl. This wood has a little texture to it. I didn't sand it or anything, y'all. I just spray painted it.
So she's using the squeegee to guide the transfer tape off as she's pressing the vinyl down, and it decreases lifting.
Yeah. So if you have lift issues,
look how good that looks.
I know, it looks really cool. Then this is kind of a way to do it. This isn't trying to lift as bad as some other things do. Like if you do tiles, you know, ceramic tiles, the vinyl does not like to stick to the ceramic tiles.
It will over time, but the initial stick is hard.
The initial, it does not. And remember, the longer vinyl sits on something, the more the bond becomes permanent.
That's true. So stinking cute. Okay. And so this one is Deceit Silver, and this is also the StarCraft Magic line. And we're going to layer that right on top here.
Here's the squeegee if you just want to rub it down good. After you've applied vinyl, the felt edge squeegee is your best friend to just go back and use that felt edge on it to make sure it's got a good adherence, that there's no bubbles. Don't unzip. And yeah, if you didn't want to do an eye hook in the wood, you could always do like a Velcro, like a piece of Velcro on the back of each acrylic blank and swap it out that way.
Yes. Yeah, that helped.
Yeah, that got it.
A really good press.
My nose is itchy.
Mine too. I've been sitting here itching mine this whole time.
Spring is coming to Arkansas, and with that is allergies.
Yes.
Okay.
So cute.
So here's our cute wood sign, and then we're going to put
an eye hook.
Our eye hook right there, and then we can swap out. We'll have fun making, and maybe we'll just, on some lives, just do different ones as the seasons approach to put on our sign.
Yes,
you know?
absolutely. That could be an easy craft that we need to
But there's
change
like
out.
a cute cupcake. Like you could do welcome to our home, and if it was someone's birthday, you could put this up like for their birthday month or something.
Oh my gosh,
like,
yes.
There's so many fun blanks. Like
Yes.
you can make yourself keychains, y'all. The possibilities are endless.
Endless. We're so excited.
For football, can't wait for football.
Yep, car coasters are super in. We do carry those. Let's see. Can't remember. There's lots of different ones.
There's so many. Any other questions, Arlene?
Yeah, Lana asked if she placed an order earlier this morning, can she add to it to qualify for the free mystery box?
So, Alana, if your order hasn't shipped yet, we could cancel that order for you, and you would have to place a new order. We can't, unfortunately, add on to orders once they have been placed. But if you haven't gotten that shipping email, you can give customer service a call, and they can see what they can do to help you.
Yes. Hopefully we can get it combined for you.
Yes.
So we're really excited about this free mini mystery box. You guys be sure to take advantage of it. It is a $46 value for absolute free.
Free. Y'all, for only $125, like, it's almost $50 worth of stuff that you're getting.
That's
Like,
ridiculous.
it's really cool.
So it's like a done deal. Like if you don't get it, you're just crazy.
Stock up on that vinyl that you need for spring break. I gotta
Yes.
make spring break shirts, so
Yes.
maybe I'll get the mystery box.
Make sure you're getting the Easter craft kit if you want to craft along with Margie and me. We're going to have a lot of fun.
It's gonna be so much fun.
Yes, we're really excited. And then Arlene just watched that fall on the floor and was
It's
like,
okay,
what the
it's
heck?
trash.
Acrylic blanks are in house. Get them. They're adorable. The possibilities are endless, like Margie said. Make sure you're removing that white film. They're not white. They are clear.
Yes. Y'all, we have so much, like, new stuff coming up, new products
Yeah.
that we're adding. We are just trying to build my craft source into
are.
your one-stop craft shop.
Yes, we're so excited.
It's super fun.
The HTV mystery box is also available.
Yeah.
You guys know that's the one that comes around every month, every middle of the month.
It's all heat transfer vinyl
It
products
is.
for
And-
t-shirts.
Oh, that's a good point, Margie. The mini mystery box is an assortment of all different types of things that we have.
Yes, it has adhesive and HTV and some tools,
Yes,
probably.
it does. So you guys be sure to get that mini mystery box and the HTV mystery box and the Easter craft kit and acrylic blanks
Just buy it all!
and t-shirts 30% off.
I mean,
oh my gosh.
You're getting your stimulus money. You're getting your, like, tax returns back.
Oh
Just
my
spend a
gosh.
little bit of it with us. Those
Yes.
of you that have a lot of kids, you're getting a lot. So.
Yes, and if anybody sent us stars today, thank you.
Thank you.
We love getting stars.
Yeah. All right. Anything else, Arlene?
You want to check Insta and TikTok real quick?
Oh yeah, that's true. Robin said, will you be getting polyester blend on shirts in the future for sublimation?
We're
shirts?
hoping. It's on our
Hopefully.
list.
It's on our to-do list.
It is definitely on our radar, and we are just trying to find a good, affordable source.
Yes.
So that we can give y'all a good price on it.
Yes.
We don't want to charge a lot.
Gina said that she might have opened the first envelope, but she's glad that she did.
Gina, don't spill the beans, Gina.
You know she won't spill the beans.
I know she won't. She's really good about it.
She won't. She'll keep it a secret.
Mary's Day to Day said, what is it called? But I don't know.
Well.
Mary?
Maybe if you could be a little more specific,
Yeah,
we could
or
probably
you can
help
send
you out.
us a direct message, Mary.
If we end before
that
we
was
get back
on
to you.
Instagram. So
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if she's... Well, yeah, I don't know.
Okay, cool.
That's okay. All
And
right.
so you guys have a great weekend,
Yeah.
and we will see you guys next week.
I know. Have a great weekend. Bye, guys.
Bye.